Counsel Faki,
Yes.
I'm going to have to put you in with the clerk because she needs to confirm your client's information, okay? We didn't know he was with you.
Okay.
Michelle, what case was ready to get a exam date? People versus Jaylene McKinney.
Your Honor, good morning, and may it please the court. My name is Adam Clements, P number 77233, appearing on behalf of Mr. McKinney. Would you please unmute yourself and introduce yourself to the court, please, sir?
I'm Devin Tyrese McKinney.
My understanding is this matter ready to be set for an exam.
Yes, Judge.
Is this who's the prosecutor on this? Miss Bailey, is she
general
here?
trial.
Yeah, I need you to get her out. Well, let me check a date with you while we're waiting for a second, Mr. Clements. I have as early as 2 weeks out, July the 6th
That's fine.
at 11 a.m.
No problem with me.
Okay, let's wait for her. Just ask her if that date's okay for. You don't know that they have discovery? Do you have all your discovery, Mr. Clements?
Yes.
Yes, he does. Is that good, Michelle? All right, July the 6th at 11 a.m. live. We'll see you here.
See you soon, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
So I can leave.
Yep, Mr. McKinney, we'll send you a notice, okay?
Okay.
Everybody on the McKinney matter can leave. Mr. Talinda, are we ready on your case?
Yes, thank you.
What are we doing on yours?
Let's get a new PCC date. We're gonna waive the 21 days waiting for discovery.
Okay, and you talked to the prosecutor.
I did, Miss Bailey.
Okay, and that's on Ortiz. I can give you, how long, did she say how long it would take?
It didn't, but maybe 21 days, 30 days, if that's okay.
I can give you July 13th.
I can check my calendar briefly, please. July 13th in the morning.
And I can do 8:45 or 9:15.
Can we do it? I have a full morning. Does it have to be a Wednesday?
Yes, it does.
Okay, can we possibly do the 20th?
You can do the 20th. Yep, I can't go any further than that.
That's great. 20th is great. 9 o'clock on the 20th?
At 8:45
That's great.
in front of Judge Martin.
Martin?
So July 20th at 8:45 in front of Judge Martin.
Thank you. Do we need to go on the record? Well, we'll have to waive the time
just did.
frame, so yes.
You just
Oh.
did. Mr. Ortiz.
Wonderful.
Charles Ortiz, unmute.
Hello, I'm here. Can you
Hi,
hear me?
good. Yeah, Mr. Ortiz, did you hear your new date?
July 20th at 8:45.
Yep, and that's gonna be in front of Judge Martin, and I will send you new notice with her Zoom ID, okay?
Okay.
You have a good day.
Thanks so much. Thanks for the help.
Bye.
Mr. Ortiz, we'll talk soon. Take care.
Okay, thank you. I don't know how to do this.
Miss Vicky, are we ready on your case now?
I wasn't sure if APA Bailey is here this morning.
Yep, you talk to the clerk already? Yep, let me see if she's in with two other attorneys right now.
So if you could just queue me up for whenever she'll be ready, please. I'll just meet with her briefly.
Sure.
Thank you.
Good morning, Sophia. I see you here. Do you see any of your clients?
Good morning. Ms. Nowicki's joining shortly. I too need to speak to Bryn, so.
Yeah, join the list.
It's
It's a kind of a long list, sorry.
okay.
Michelle, I see Mr. Bryant trying to check in. I believe he's on.
Yep, just now. He just talked to Heather already. So do you need to talk to him?
I don't need to talk to him. There should be an order. I don't know if Judge,
Is that the one
Green-
that we're switching attorneys? No.
yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know what? I've got it, Mr. Perker, and I'll sign it right now. So are we giving another date? Are they signing? What are we doing with this, Michelle?
I don't know. Are we going to get new counsel or do we know?
Yes, new counsel.
Are they
there's a
coming
conflict.
today?
No,
No, I have to sign the order of signing today. So I
Okay.
think that, Michelle, what you should do is adjourn it out. Is he on here? Mr. Bryant,
yes, he is.
can you unmute?
Hello.
Good morning, Mr. Bryant. Does he know what's going on, Mr. Parker?
Yes, he does. Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, Mr. Bryant, we have to get you new counsel assigned, so we're gonna adjourn this out 2 weeks from today for new
Okay.
counsel. The date's gonna be July the 6th. Michelle, what time?
At 9 a.m.
At 9 a.m. and that'll be in front of me, not in this Zoom, because I'm doing Judge Oakley's docket today. So,
Okay.
but I signed the withdrawal. You're gonna sign into Judge Green's Zoom on the 6th, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set for today. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Yeah.
Mhm.
Good morning, Mr. Nunley.
Good morning. How are you?
I don't know. Oh, do you see any of your clients here?
The only one that I have for today is Tracy Paisley.
I see that.
Here. And Dan may be covering that for me if I can get a hold of him.
He is, do you want to go talk to him?
Is
Seems like he and Mr. Hadley and Bryn are all having a party in there.
in and interrupt.
Maybe you can tell Bryn that we have people waiting.
Okay, I'll do that.
You're co-host, so you can jump in.
Okay, here I go. See you.
Okay, Bryn, you have multiple people that need to talk to you. Let's see. I see there's a
Oh, I was told
Mr.
that I was needed back in the courtroom.
Well, just to tell you that I have multiple attorneys that need to talk to you about discovery or whatnot. And I have somebody waiting, a defendant waiting, Mr. Lee, but let me see who else. Council, speak up if you need this. Miss
Yeah.
Vicky. Yep, I know
Yeah.
you do too, but Miss Vicky's been here. So you need to speak to Stephanie Vicky and Mr. Green.
Okay,
If you can grab her.
I'm still talking to other attorneys in my waiting room right now.
To the MIDC attorneys.
Yeah, they have 4 cases that we're negotiating and working out right now.
Hey, Dan, can I meet you in your breakout room briefly?
Sure.
Thanks. Hey, Cheryl.
Mr. Batar, are you ready? And Mr. Clayton.
No, but I'm ready on cinnamon.
Where's Mr. Cinnamon?
People versus Steven Cinnamon.
Morning, Your Honor. Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Cinnamon. Mr. Cinnamon, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the record, please?
Stephen Lowell Cinnamon.
Judge, today's his arraignment. We'll waive a formal reading. Stand mute, please.
You want an adjourned pretrial date?
A final pretrial, Judge, and I've talked to the prosecutor. She's going to get me discovery on the case. Final pretrial where the complainant has to appear.
How much time do you want?
We don't need that much time, just a couple of weeks, I guess, or something.
July the 6th?
July the 6th is fine.
Michelle, what time?
At 9 a.m.
And that's back, and that's in front of me, Mr. Cinnamon, so you're gonna sign in on Judge Green's courtroom. I also have 2 old files that look like, I'm trying to pull them and see, that look like have never pled. They're Huron Township cases. We're gonna send you a notice to reset those pretrials, okay?
Yeah, I know what those are for. I got to get on a proper payment plan and take care of my license.
I don't think it's a payment. They've never been pled, so we're gonna give you a pretrial date.
Okay.
Michelle, I'm writing send pretrial date on both of these because I don't know what the Huron date is.
Okay,
Sounds
I'll
good.
send it
Okay.
with your
Other
dates.
notice. You're all set, Mr. Cinnamon.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Green.
You're welcome. Mr.
Have a,
Shell,
have a wonderful day.
you too.
Mr. Sauce is waiting for the jail.
On Neely, are you, do you still need discovery? What's the status?
I need discovery. We're going to be still be setting an exam date, but he's not on the screen yet.
I know he's not on the screen and we're not setting an exam until you have full discovery.
Fair enough.
So that's not gonna happen because I
Okay.
keep getting bit by that I set exam dates and then you show up on the exam date and say, I don't have all the discovery. So I have an absolute policy now because I've been burned too many times.
I have no problems. May I have the soonest date for a PCC?
We can do 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, your choice.
1 week will be fine.
Yeah, 1 week is fine. I will be getting everything to defense
Okay.
counsel by tomorrow.
Well, oh, I didn't know you were on this, Ms. Mosesian. Thank
That's
you.
okay. Hello. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. 1 week to June the 29th. Michelle, what time?
10:15.
10:15. If you want counsel, you can call Mr. Neely and
Oh.
just tell him.
No, he's in custody. I'm sorry. We have to
Oh.
do 8:30. I forgot. We're waiting. The jail never came. The Division 2. We have to do 8:30.
Okay, are we expecting him today, though?
Yeah,
If
but
you-
they don't start till at least 9. So maybe we shouldn't set it 8:30. Maybe we should try the 10:15 and maybe the jail will be here on time then.
What jail is it?
It's Division 2, Wayne County. They're always late. We could leave it at the 10:15 and maybe they would.
Let's leave it at 10:15. Mr. Schlapp, we'll notify them. You can stay if you want. I'll have a conversation with him if just saying that we adjourned it for discovery if you want, whatever your preference is.
He does expect me to address bond, and that's why I am inquiring about him.
Well, I'm going to give you that date. I'll put the file to the side. You can hang out and wait. I can't, I'm not a mind reader. I don't know what the jail's doing.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge, I'm gonna step away, and I'll come back, because I have a case downstairs.
Okay, yep, no, you're fine.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And then Miss Vicky, are you just waiting? I know you're waiting for Miss Bailey, but you need discovery?
No, we have discovery. I'm just seeing if we can reach a resolution.
Let me see if I can get her.
Okay.
Miss Nelson, what are you here on?
I'm here on Ms. Nowicki's case, and similarly, I have discovery, but I'm hoping that Brent and I can talk before we decide whether or not to set it for exam.
Okay, is that the only one you have?
This morning, yeah, I think I'm with you this afternoon on a.
Yep.
I'm actually the APA on that case.
Oh, are you on Nowicki?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to, Michelle, you want to stick them in a breakout room?
Yep, doing it right now.
Mr. Hadley, are you ready on anything?
I am. I'm ready to run on Nicholas Matthews and on Jose Rodriguez, Your Honor. Sorry for the little delay there.
That's okay.
And Mr. Nunley let me know my audio sounds bad on this computer, so I'll get back to use my laptop.
You know, I think I'm okay, but Jose Rodriguez,
Yes, Your Honor.
what are we doing?
We would like to avail ourselves of the people's plea offer where they will allow us to plead guilty under MCL 771.1 to the disorderly drunk.
Is that correct, Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form?
Yes.
And is it true that on or about May the 15th of this year, that you were at the airport and you were intoxicated in public?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea. How long was the deferral, Mr. Hadley?
It would be a 6-month recommendation, Your Honor.
6 months, no trouble for the 6 months, pay $300 in costs in this case will be dismissed. Can you pay that $300 within the week?
Yes.
Then no trouble within the 6 months. You don't have to come back. I'll pull your record, and as long as there's no violations, I'll dismiss it, okay?
So do I need to report to probation or is it
Nope,
just-
no, it's a non-reporting probation.
Okay.
All right, so just make sure you go online and pay the $300 within the week.
Okay.
All right, you're all set.
All right.
Nicholas Matthews, is it same deal, Mr. Hadley?
Identical, Your Honor.
Mr. Matthews, you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
And is it true that on or about May the 7th, you were at the airport, and you were intoxicated in public?
Yeah.
I'll accept your plea. I'll defer it for 6 months, assess the same thing, $300. Can you pay that within the week?
Yes, I will. I'll pay it today. Like, as soon as possible.
And no trouble for the 6 months, and it'll be dismissed. You don't have to come in. Okay?
Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate
You're
it.
all set. Yep. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Your Honor, we're also prepared to move forward on John Hanna if the court is ready and Mr. Hanna is present.
People versus John Hanna. What are we doing?
After providing the prosecution with proof that the underlying offenses have been remedied, it was a plate registration type of issue, the people will be dismissing the tickets as relates to the 2 Wayne County cases.
All right, you're all set. It's just, they're both dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Anything else?
I'm looking for Miss Ellison. I will be right back in.
Oh, she's here. I got
Okay,
it.
perfect. I'll
Are you
move her.
doing that one?
Yes, I'm going to move her right now. Thank you. Your Honor.
Okay.
Judge, I guess you could call the Van Zant case.
People versus, which case?
Clayton Van Zant, he's from the jail, 9/15 died, 9/15.
Oh, I got it. I got it. People versus Van Don Clayton. All right, Mr. Batar, what are we doing?
Morning, Judge. Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Van Zant. Judge, the situation is there's an offer that's available to Mr. Van Zant. However, this incident occurred in a group home in Romulus. He cannot go back to that group home. So if we worked it out and pled him today, he'd have nowhere to go. I guess what we can do is just put this over for a week. I have his guardian's phone number.
Okay.
Who is
And
his?
I'm on next week. It'll go with me next week, Dan.
Okay.
So Michelle, adjourn we're trying to figure out where he's gonna go.
Exactly. And I guess we could set up for a final pretrial next week as well, see if the complainant appears. And I'll be in communication with the guardian to make.
Okay, perfect. Michelle, what time next week? June the 29th at?
Well, he's in custody, so we should probably Division
8:30.
1, yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, do you understand, Mr. Clayton?
Yes.
Am I right? Your last name is Clayton?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
Is it possible you guys can keep trying to get in touch with my aunt and pay legal guardian Elijah Jones to see if she can pay me?
He's gonna talk to your guardian to try to figure this out, okay?
Because I really want to leave today, if possible.
No, I understand the dynamics, but Mr. Batar is gonna get with your guardian and then I'm gonna see you in a week, unfortunately. All right? Okay. All right, you're all set, Mr. Clayton. Thanks, officer.
Thank you, Your Honor. You and your staff have a wonderful day.
You too. Mr. McCann,
Yes, Your Honor.
we dismissed. You're all set.
Oh, great. Thanks very much, Judge. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Judge, what was that time on Clayton?
At 8:30 since he's in custody.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Your Honor, whatever the court
Mr.
is ready for us, I
Ellis?
have spoke with Miss Ellison. I'm sorry,
Ms.
Dominique Ellis.
People versus Dominique Ellis.
Yes.
What are we doing?
After speaking with the prosecution, we'd like to avail ourselves of their plea offer, at which time Ms. Ellison would be pleading responsible to the seatbelt violation, and people will be dismissing the driving with license suspended.
The seatbelt's a $65 ticket. You need to pay that within 7 days, okay?
Okay.
You're all set. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Parker? No, Mr. Parker's not here. Mr. Holman, what'd you guys figure out?
I think that, well, I'm not sure what the defense is doing, but I think we talked about possible resolutions for this case, likely down the road, but I think we're either headed for an exam or a waiver. I think the defense counsel will talk about their client about the path that they're going to take, but.
Ms. Nelson, what do you want to do?
I'd like to get a quick breakout room with Ms. Nowicki.
Okay, Michelle.
Yep, got it.
Your hand. This.
Miss Nelson, just go ahead and rejoin where you were, and then I'll put her in there with you.
Okay.
Do you know how to do that?
Michelle.
And Michelle, can you hear me okay?
Sure, yep.
Okay. Those were the 4 that I had notices on today. Do you have anything? It looks like Dan, I think, is on council for today. Do you need anything else from me right now?
Don't think so. Think you're
Okay.
good.
All right. If you guys need me, give me a call. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.
Michelle?
Good morning, Mr. Bowditch. I see, wait a minute, I think I saw your client here.
Keon Holmes. I signed in with Judge Oakley.
Correct. Judge Green is covering for Judge Oakley.
All right, so this is Judge Oakley's document.
Mr. Holmes is here. Do you need to speak with him?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay, hold on a second. Let me put you in a breakout room. Go ahead and join that breakout room.
Michelle, which prosecutor do we have today?
Miss Bailey.
Ooh, I need to speak with Miss Bailey.
Yeah, stand in line.
Yeah, okay, I'm in line.
Miss Vicky, welcome back. Are we ready?
Yes, we are ready. We're just going to be requesting an exam date, please.
Okay, hold on one second.
On People versus Gregory Green.
Good morning, Judge Stephanie Fiki on behalf of Mr. Green, who is present with me at my office and seated to my left.
Good morning. This matter is going to be set for an exam.
Yes, Judge.
2 weeks, July the 6th at 11:30.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Is that good?
Yes, that's perfect. And that will be in person, correct?
That's in person.
Wonderful. We will be there. And you said 10:30, Judge?
11:30.
11:30. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. You're all set. Ms. Nelson, are you ready on the wiki?
Yes, Your Honor. We've determined that we're going to waive the exam and go downtown so we can apply for diversion.
So you can apply for what?
Diversion.
Oh, okay. People versus Stacy Nowicki. Ms. Nowicki, you understand that by consenting to the waiver that you're giving up your right to have testimony taken, whereby the prosecution would have to prove probable cause that a crime was committed and probable cause to believe that you were involved in the commission of that crime?
Yes, ma'am.
The defendant and her attorney having consented to the bind over, I'll bind the defendant over. Sorry, hang on just a second. I'll bind the defendant over. The arraignment on the information will take place. This is a new form.
Bryn pulled me into her waiting room or her breakout room, so I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're good. I'm just looking, I went to sign the form and I don't know if they changed it or if this is just for some reason a different form. And so I have to figure it out after. The arraignment on the information will take place 2 weeks from today on July the 29th, July the 6th at 9 a.m. And I'll continue the bond. Ms. Nowicki, Ms. Nelson will be in contact with you and let you know, because I don't really know what the details are these days on the downtown.
Okay.
All
No
right.
problem.
Have a great day. Thanks, Ms. Nelson. Is that
You
it for
too.
you?
Bye.
Yes, thank you, Your
I'll
Honor.
see you this afternoon.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yeah.
Mr. Bowditch, I can put you into her waiting room. She's got a lot of people in there.
Thanks, Michelle.
Mr. Schlaff, I called Division 1 over at Wayne County Jail, and they're going to contact Division 2 and let them know that we are ready.
Thank you.
Mr. Bitar, did you speak with Mr. Nunley's client, Miss Pasley?
I am right now. I'm going back to talk to her.
Thank you. Mr. Parker, do we know where your clients are?
Michelle, did they do the sincere thing?
We did.
Okay, good. Thank you.
We're ready on Pasley.
Thank you.
People versus Tracy Pasley.
Daniel Bitar on behalf of Miss Pasley, Your Honor. Miss Pasley, can you state your name for the record?
Tracy Paisley.
I'm sorry, I said it right the first time, Judge Paisley. She's going to plead to no proof of insurance. The no insurance and speeding tickets will be dismissed.
It's a $200 ticket. Can you pay that within 7 days?
No, I'll probably have to be able to do it after the first.
I'll give you 2 weeks. Pay it by July 6th.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Michelle, for ease, I amended the civil infraction instead of making the misdemeanor civil. Miss Bailey, I've set 2 exams, McKinney and Green, both on July 6th. McKinney's at 11, Green is at 11:30.
Miss Bailey, did you speak with Mr. Lee?
You're muted.
I did. I made him an offer. I'm not sure if he's going to accept it. It sounded like he wanted a little bit of time to consider it.
And Michelle, you kept track. I think I set a final pretrial for Mr. Batar too. Did you track that date for Miss Bailey?
Mr. Batar informed me that we've got one on the 29th and then another one on the 6th.
Okay, just making sure. One of them was a final pretrial with the victim to appear. They might have both been.
Yes, they both
Yeah.
were.
Okay,
Yep.
just
So I'll
making
make
sure.
Thank you.
So do I need to bring Mr. Lee out and ask? Oh, there he is. Mr. Lee, are we ready on your case?
Yes.
What are we doing?
The last thing that you suggested to me.
So the offer that I made to Mr. Lee is that I'm going to amend the violation from the overcatch down to just a basic rule violation which is 324.487381. Which is a 90-day misdemeanor.
Give me that site again. 324 at
point 487381.
Got it. Which is, what is that?
It's sports fishing, just a basic rule violation, Your Honor.
Okay, got it. And Mr. Lee, if you plead to that, it is there. There's a list of $100 in restitution. The state conservation fee of $10. The state has $145 in fees, and the court costs are another $100. It would be $355 if you plead to that.
Oh, wow. Yes, I plead to that because I'm unable to go to court. So
I'll take it as a no contest that you're not contesting this charge.
No.
Okay. And I'm going to adopt the police report for purposes of the plea. I'm not going to read it into the record. I am going to assess the cost as the DNR is asking for $100 in restitution. There's the $10 conservation fee. There's $145 in state costs. And then the court costs are $50 fine and $50 in cost for a total of $355. Michelle, do we have Maria today or am I just?
We do not.
Okay. Mr. Lee, if you can't pay that, you need to go on our website and ask for a payment plan within 7 days. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And you're all set. Thank you very much and have a good day.
Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Daly, what case are you
Good morning, Your
on?
Honor.
Good
Jordan
morning.
Clark, Your Honor. I think it's an arraignment. Maybe a PCC.
Yeah. What's the last name?
Jordan Clark.
Yep, I have it. Do we have Mr. Clark here, Michelle?
He's on.
He's on with you or is he on? Oh, there,
He
I
just
see
logged
him.
on.
Got it. Okay. What are we doing with this case, Mr. Daly?
Judge, is this a PCC or an arraignment?
It's a PCC.
I would ask that the court allow my client to waive the 21 days within which they have a preliminary exam and set it out for a PCC in 2 weeks and an exam in 4, so I can get discovery.
Well, I'll give you 2 weeks. I can't promise you what'll happen after that.
I
But
understand.
I'll give you an adjourned PCC date of, what is it? July the 6th at what time, Michelle?
At 9:15.
At 9:15, and that'll be in front of me. I'm standing in for Judge Oakley today. That'll be in front of me on my Zoom in 2 weeks.
I do apologize. Who is this on?
It's on Clark.
That'll give me time to get the discovery and let you know whether or not we're going to go forward with the PE.
That's fine.
Okay.
And could I get the name of the prosecutor on this case, Judge?
It's Miss Bailey, Bailey. She's on with us.
Hi, Miss Bailey.
Morning.
Hope you're having a good day. I'm going to type in my cell phone number and email. Could you give me a call?
Okay.
And Mr. Clark, you're all set.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Slop on Mr. Neely's joining us. Do you need a breakout with him? Michelle, will you put Mr. Slop in a breakout room with his client?
I spoke to him yesterday. Judge, I don't think we'll need one.
Oh, I thought
We need to
I
call-
thought you told me you needed a breakout with, I thought you needed to talk to him.
We have to call Sona real quick because she asked us to call her so she could be here.
Okay.
Very good.
Good morning, Miss Kirkland.
Good morning. I am here on Sarah Hart.
Okay, are you assigned to it now?
Yeah, yeah. I had been assigned to it. She failed to appear for a PCC, and then when she was picked up, I wasn't notified. So just an NDS attorney that was there took care of it.
Gotcha. We haven't seen Miss Hart yet.
Okay. Do you have contact info for her? Because I don't.
I doubt it, but I can check.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, Michelle?
Yep.
I apologize. Could I go back into a breakout room with Mr. Holmes? I want to tell him why there's a delay here. It's a final pretrial. We're waiting for officers to appear.
Yep, hold on.
Thank you.
Miss Kirkland, I can, in the chat, I'm going to put a phone number that we have for her. Mr. Bowditch, what are we doing on your case?
It's a final pretrial. We're waiting for the officers to appear. Ms.
Okay.
Bailey said she would give them till approximately 10 o'clock,
What time was it set at?
9:45.
Okay.
The judge may wish to give them longer. We're fine.
Oh, that's fine.
Ms. Mosisian, bond argument on Neely. Counsel, go ahead.
Morning, Your Honor. For the record,
You know what? I apologize. I'm going to cut you off for 1 second because I do have a question for Ms. Mosisian before you even start, Mr. Schlapp. I have this stalking case. There's another stalking case. It's a final pretrial on June the 28th. Another domestic violence that's up for final pretrial on June the 28th, both in front of Judge Martin. I have two more domestic violences that are also set in front of Judge Martin. So 3 other domestic violences and another stalking case. Are those all the same victim?
Yes, Judge, they are.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Schlapp.
yes, Your Honor, I was informed of this information this morning. And for the record, he does have another case in Frank Murphy as well. But I spoke to my client about this case. He believes in his innocence and that he believes that this is going to be, we're going to fight to overcome the charges against him in this case. He is, Your Honor, I have spoken to him about coming back to all court appearances and the importance of staying away from the complainant. And he has good family support. I've been in touch with his mother. I've been in touch with his girlfriend. And he has attended all cases in the hearings in Frank Murphy.
Let me, I'm not, in this particular case, Mr. Schlapp, having conversations with me about his appearance is not really what the issue is. I mean, it's all of these alleged contacts or stalkings or whatever they are. I'm not comfortable in a vacuum having a conversation about bond or reduction in the bond. I will tell you, I know that we had already talked about adjourning it 1 week, which for discovery, which I'm going to do. I'm also going to refer it to pretrial services. They can do a report and interview him and have a conversation about whether the bond's appropriate or not. I'm not comfortable changing it without input from them.
That's fair enough, Judge. We'll see you the next date.
Yep, thank you. Thanks, Ms. Mosisian. I guess I didn't need you, but I'm happy to have your smiling face. Mr. Neely,
please.
Mr. Neely, so that I do want to have a breakout with them now to have a conversation with them about what's happening.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Neely, Mr. Schlapp's going to have a conversation with you. You can ask them, but go ahead and move them.
Is there an officer at Division 2?
Hey, Judge.
Hi, no, it's me, the clerk. Sorry, it's Michelle. If we set this for at 10:15, is that better for you guys?
It is. That way we can push through a few things.
All right, that's what we're doing.
This breakout room with Mr. Schloff, is this going to be a quick breakout room? We have
Yep.
a deposition that starts at 10.
Yep, it's gonna be quick, I believe, and then you guys can log out from there, okay?
All
Very
right,
good. Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Take care.
Mr. Slough, you can just rejoin where you were and I'll put him in there, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Daly, I see you're back. I saw you had another case.
Yes.
I was gonna call you. I was gonna uh-oh, I see another one. I don't see your client here yet,
Okay.
so we'll just
Is
wait.
this an arraignment, Judge, or
I'm the clerk, but that's okay. It's pretrial
pretrial? Is he charged with a felony or a misdemeanor?
misdemeanor. Avery Cooper, correct?
Yes.
Yep, it's a pretrial.
Very good.
I can put you in the prosecutor's waiting room if you want to speak with her first.
I have another hearing in Monroe. Can I go do that one and then log back in?
Sure.
All right, thank you.
Good morning, Miss Anderson.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm well. How are you?
Good. I see that you're here for digs, correct?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. Who's Stroud that you put in
Oh,
here?
sorry. That
No,
was the
no.
last person I had.
That's okay. I was like, wait a minute, did I miss something?
Every time I move around.
You're okay. I knew what you're here for. Of course, co-counsel, Mr. Brown's not here yet for his client on the co-defendant. But do you want to speak to Mr. Diggs or?
I spoke to him yesterday.
Okay, so we need to wait for Mr. Brown. What do we do? Are we setting an exam?
Yes, they finally got me the video on Monday.
Okay, so I take it we need to set both of them at the same time.
Probably.
Okay, we'll wait for Mr. Brown for a minute. Hopefully he'll appear.
Hey, Michelle.
Miss
Yes.
Anderson, Miss Anderson, in the meantime, could you do it 2 weeks out at 11:30 on the 6th?
That should be fine. I have some Zooms that morning, but 11:30.
That's the date I'm looking at, but we'll wait for Mr. Brown.
Sounds good.
Thanks.
Michelle?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Neely's here for that felony case today, but I have 4 misdemeanors with him.
I saw you jumped in there.
Yeah, he has 4 misdemeanors that are up for a pretrial on the 28th with Judge Martin. He was out on bond on my cases. Now he's locked up. Is there any way to let Judge Martin know if he's not out that he'll have to be appearing by Zoom somehow?
Yeah. Tell me. Oh, wait, hold on. Go ahead, give it to me. What's his pretrial date? I could look it up, but
June 28th, 9 a.m.
okay.
with Judge Martin. I could even give you the case numbers if you really want them.
No. You're all good. I can get them.
Okay.
I made a note to make sure we do a writ. Oh, here's Mr. Brown. Good morning, Mr. Brown.
Good morning.
Are you ready to set an exam for your case?
Yes.
Okay, let me get the judge 1 minute.
Good morning on People versus Terrence Brown and Geroy. Is it Geroy Diggs? This matter ready to be set for an exam, Ms. Brown, Ms. Anderson?
Yes, Judge.
And that's Miss Bailey's on this, correct?
Most likely. I
It's
received
not a
it.
special. It is. It's gotta be. Mr. Brown, I was looking at 2 weeks on the 6th at 11:30 or 12, if that works for you guys. Miss Anderson said it worked for her.
At what time?
Either 11:30 or 12 o'clock on the 6th.
Okay, I could do 11:30.
All right.
Another court date?
And that's live. So are we good with that, everybody?
That's great.
Yeah, July 6th, at what time? I apologize.
11:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're all set.
All
right,
thank
thank you.
you. I'll give you a call, Mr. Diggs.
All right.
Good morning.
Brandon, we have Mr. Daly that needs to speak to you on the Cooper matter. It's a pretrial.
Thank you. Did my client log in yet?
Not yet. Mr. Parker?
James Parker.
Hey, Mr. Parker, did we heard from, did you talk to Mr. Daly?
No, I called the court yesterday to see if I can get some additional information, some contact numbers. The number that I have just seems like it's dead.
Let me
and
see, did someone check to see if we had a number for you?
Yes, it is the same number.
Okay.
And I believe the charge is drugs. I don't know if that has anything to do with why I can't get a hold of him or anything, but I have not been able to make contact yet. You could give me another PCC date. Maybe I can have my investigator try to track him down from the address. But short of that, I don't have any information on him.
Okay, I can give you another date.
Okay, then. That'll be fine.
How do you want, since you have to try to find them, do you want July 6th or July 13th?
July 13th will be a good day.
Okay, how about at 9:15?
Very good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. That's with Judge Martin.
Judge Martin. Okay, then.
And I'll send you notice today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Brown? Mr. Daly?
Hi, Judge.
Nope, I'm the clerk. That's okay.
Oh.
Your client, well, oh, where'd your client go? Is talking to our clerk right now. Do you need to speak with Mr. Cooper?
Not really. We're just going to adjourn it.
He's here right now. Okay.
No. And I'll talk to Mr. Cooper after the hearing.
He's here. Yeah, he's here right now. He's with us.
I see.
How long of an adjournment do you need?
It's up to the prosecutor.
A couple weeks, week or two max, I think.
I can do July 6th or July 13th, Mr. Daly.
July 13th is better for me because I've got a million hearings on the 6th.
That's fine. 8:45 or 9:15?
9:15.
9:15, and that'll be in front of Judge Martin.
Okay. Ms. Bailey, do you know how to contact me in case you get the discovery?
Yes,
Very good.
I have it. I have your email.
Mr.
Thank you
Cooper,
very much.
did
I
you get
appreciate
that? Your new date's July 13th at 9:15 in front of Judge Lisa Martin.
Okay.
Okay, and I'll send you a new notice out today.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Mr. Parker, do you have anything else with us?
I haven't heard about what we're doing on Bryant, Sims, Neal, and I know at least those two are Mr. Parker's.
On Bryant, we adjourned it to July 6th. There's going to be a new counsel assigned.
Okay, both of them?
Wait, what was the other one? Sims
So-
Neal was adjourned
Sims Neal.
to July 13th.
Okay, and then Sincere,
That's the one I just
Brian?
gave you. That gave you that one first. That was July 6th.
Thank you. For a PCC.
Correct.
Okay. And then on Mr. Bowditch's case, Keon Holmes, I don't see any witnesses here.
Okay, hold on. Let me get the judge.
And I know I subpoenaed them.
On People versus Keon Holmes.
Ready, Your Honor. Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Holmes. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for a final pretrial.
That is correct, Your Honor. I did subpoena and serve the complaining or the witnesses with their subpoenas to appear here today. And I do not see any of them in the waiting room or anywhere else, Your Honor. I did provide them with the Zoom numbers.
All right. Motion, Mr. Bowditch.
A motion for dismissal on this 2019 case, Your Honor.
It's dismissed. You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Holmes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Mr. Holmes.
You got to mute yourself, Mr. Holmes. A satisfied client.
Mr. Bowditch, you did explain to him that they can refile, didn't you?
Yes, you're.
Okay.
I've explained that to him. I apologize.
Are you all set, Mr. Bowditch?
I'm all set. Thank you.
Great. Thanks. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Miss Kirkland?
Yes, I did speak with Miss Hart and she should be on her way in.
And she's coming in the Zoom?
Yes,
Okay. Okay, well, wait a minute then.
thank you.
Mr. Bitar,
Yes,
we thank you for your service, but you are all done.
I'm done. You're getting rid of me?
Well, you can stay if you would like,
No,
but
that's fine. I didn't know.
my next two pre-trials have retained counsel, so I would say you are good to go.
Judge Michelle, have a good day. Take care.
Thank you. You too. Good morning, Mr. Moore. We're just waiting for your attorney.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning. Have you spoke with them?
No, I haven't spoke with them yet.
Okay. Okay. And it's just 10:15 right now, so we'll wait a few minutes for them. Okay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Kirkland, Ms. Hart is logging in right now. Ms. Kirkland, do you need to speak with her? Ms. Kirkland, we're trying to get Ms. Hart's audio to work.
Okay, yeah, she told me she's calling in right now.
She's in with our clerk. She cannot get her audio to work.
Okay.
They're trying.
All right, thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Everett.
Good morning.
Good morning. Do you need to speak with your client?
I need to speak with Jane Gillis if she's there.
It's not Jane Gillis anymore. It is Bryn Bailey.
Okay, can I speak with her, please?
Sure, let me put you into her room.
Thank you.
Miss Kirkland, Miss Hart?
Huh.
Hi, good morning. Hold on 1 minute. Miss Kirkland, do you need to speak with her?
No,
Okay, what are we doing?
we're setting it for exam.
Okay. Do you have all your discovery?
Yes.
Okay.
Ms. Kirkland?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. July the 6th at noon.
July 6th. That works for me. Thank
All
you.
right, July the 6th at noon. Michelle, make sure you tell Ms. Bailey. All right, you're all set.
Thank you. I'll be in contact.
Ms. Hurt, did you get that?
What's that?
Did you hear your next court date?
July 6th at noon?
Yep, and it's here live at the courthouse, okay?
Okay, so I have to be at the courthouse and not
You do,
on
yep,
Zoom?
yep.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. We'll send you notice, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Mr. Everett, are we ready in your case?
We are, yes.
What are we doing?
We are asking for an adjournment. I'm writing a deviation letter to her supervisor. And I would say a 3-week adjournment would be fine.
July 13th at 9:30
30.
in
Very
front
well.
of Judge Martin.
Very well, very well.
July 19th at 9:30?
13th.
13th. Oof. We're struggling with dates this morning. I'm sorry.
That's okay. And then Miss are you all set? Mr. Moore, did you get that?
Yes, I got it.
And I'll send you a notice today, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have a nice day.
Stay cool.
You too. Miss Bailey, we set another exam on July 6th at noon.
For whom?
Hold on a second. Sarah Hart.
Thank you.
Sarah Hart.
And that's Miss Kirkland is the attorney.
Okay. Okay. And then I'm so sorry. Are you in the courtroom?
Nope, in my office. What you need?
Dates on Ortiz, Clark,
Yep,
and Johnson.
I'll give them to you. I'll give them to you. Okay, Ortiz is July 20th in front of Judge Martin at 8:45.
Okay, 7-20 for a new PCC.
Correct.
Gotcha. Okay.
And then, well, who is the next one?
Clark, Jordan.
Seven, 6 at 9:15 in front of Judge
Another
Green.
PCC.
Correct.
Okay. And then the last one, Johnson.
Justin Johnson is June 29th at 8:45 in front of Judge
Okay. Perfect.
in front of Judge Green.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Michelle, can you make me host so I can undo the,
Yes.
please?